Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do airplane mode in Monopoly Go. So, the airplane mode prevent other players from attacking your properties while you're playing offline. This means you can focus on rolling dice, earning coins and upgrading properties without worrying about losing your hard-earned cash. To activate airplane mode, swipe down from the top of your phone screen and tap on the airplane icon. This will disconnect your device from internet, now stopping any real-time interactions in the game. Once airplane mode is on, reopen Monopoly Go and you can roll dice, collect rewards and make upgrades as usual. But keep in mind that certain online features like events or trades won't be available. When you're ready to see your progress, simply turn off the airplane mode by swiping down and clicking on the airplane mode icon and reconnect to the internet. Your game will sync with the server, updating your coins and property status. And that's how you use airplane mode in Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.